Are we? Are we recording? Okay. Lawton County has been known for its simple rural life and its wide open spaces. But today, Lawton County is at the center of a massive federal government action to completely isolate the entire valley and its 6,117 residents. This is Carrie Dillon, and I'm here at this trailhead that is 6 miles from Lawton County line. Now, I'm here because the road to Lawton County and all of the airspace above it has been closed by the Army. It has been 48 hours since there has been any contact with any Lawton County resident. So now, since there has been a complete blackout of news by the president and the NSA, I've decided that I am going to hike into Lawton County using this back road. Now, Lawton County is just over the hill here, it lies just beyond there. This
Camera on and recording.
Present location?
Just entering the parkland.
Keep me updated.
Copy that. Shit.
Hey there, buddy. How you doing? You got a problem?
Yeah, right. I got a problem.
Look,
the cell phone's out. Everything's out.
I understand, but I'm on a call right now. I can't help you. I can send a tow truck for you.
Great, God. I thought I was going to be here all night.
I would have to say you're about the luckiest guy in town right now.
Yeah, right. Well, Jesus.
What are you doing out here in the middle of the night?
I thought it was a shortcut on my way to
Shortcut?
work.
No, it's a goddamn dead end.
Yeah, now I find out.
All right.
God.
Now look, how about half an hour?
Oh, that's great. Thanks a lot, officer.
All right. Watch yourself.
Okay, have a good night.
Thank you.
I'm gonna test this picture-in-picture feature. Listen, there's a motorist in need of a tow about a mile past the parkland entrance.
Okay, I'll have Mac get his rig out there.
Hey, Del. See your video feed. This new dash cam's great.
Rick,
Go for Bardo.
you see anything out of the ordinary?
Nothing. It's quiet out here.
Quiet, huh?